Airsoft target shooting in Grande Island,
Oops, wait.
August 22,
There's a civilian.
2009.
There's a civilian.
Okay, go. Adrian is practicing target shooting using airsoft.
Slowly aim the
Oops.
target.
Targets are there.
Before you fire.
Targets are there.
You have
Cans
helmet
and targets. Wow! One Yahoo!
One Yahoo.
Siya na lang lahat para ano. Take na.
Kawawa naman din ako. Yan lang ang pinunta natin dito sa ATV.
Okay. Si Kuya nandun. Nag-ATV.
Kasi mas marami pong nadidiscuss.
Come on, shoot.